Welcome to Motorhomes Review. Today, we're stepping into the realm of unparalleled opulence with the 2026 Rolls-Royce RV Motorhome. This isn't your average recreational vehicle, it's a bespoke masterpiece that fuses the storied elegance of Rolls-Royce with the adventurous spirit of RV living. Envision a home away from home that's crafted with the same meticulous care as their iconic automobiles, offering a seamless blend of luxury, technology, and mobility for the elite traveler. Whether you're embarking on a cross-continental expedition or seeking a glamorous retreat in nature, this RV sets a new benchmark. We'll delve deep into its captivating exterior, sumptuous interior, formidable performance, and the premium pricing that reflects its exclusivity. Let's embark on this journey. Beginning with the exterior, the 2026 Rolls-Royce RV Motorhome commands attention with its majestic silhouette and refined aesthetics. The front fascia is dominated by the legendary Pantheon grille, hand-polished to a mirror shine and flanked by adaptive LED headlights that incorporate laser technology for superior night vision, illuminating the road up to 600 meters ahead. The Spirit of Ecstasy mascot graces the hood, retractable for security and aerodynamics, symbolizing the brand's heritage while adding a touch of whimsy. The body, constructed from lightweight carbon fiber composites and aluminum alloys, stretches over 42 feet, providing ample space without sacrificing maneuverability. Custom paint options include duotone schemes, like a deep midnight sapphire blue fading into a pristine white, applied in multiple layers for depth and durability against the elements. Aerodynamic contours reduce wind resistance, enhancing fuel efficiency, while chrome accents along the beltline and wheel arches exude sophistication. Massive 24-inch forged alloy wheels, shod in bespoke Michelin tires, ensure a smooth ride and grip on varied surfaces. Side features include electrically extending slide-outs that expand the living area by up to 50% when stationary, seamlessly integrating with the flush bodywork. A panoramic glass roof offers stargazing opportunities, and integrated solar panels harvest energy for sustainable off-grid adventures. The rear end boasts a full-width LED light bar with dynamic signaling, plus a deployable tailgate that transforms into a veranda complete with built-in seating and a barbecue grill. For practicality, hydraulic outriggers auto-level the RV on uneven terrain, and a 360-degree camera system with AI obstacle detection aids in parking this Leviathan. Security is paramount, with biometric locks and drone surveillance that can patrol the perimeter when parked. This exterior isn't merely functional. It's a statement of artistry, blending timeless British design with forward-thinking engineering to make every arrival an event. Transitioning to the interior, the 2026 Rolls-Royce RV Motorhome unfolds like a private yacht on land, where every surface whispers indulgence. Entering through suicide-style doors that open with a gentle touch, you're immersed in a cabin that's handcrafted by artisans in Goodwood, England. The lounge area features sumptuous Chesterfield-inspired sofas upholstered in the softest aniline leather, available in over 40 shades, with heating, ventilation, and multi-zone massage capabilities to melt away travel fatigue. Exotic wood veneers, such as Macassar ebony or Burr walnut, adorn the cabinetry, inlaid with mother-of-pearl or Swarovski crystals for bespoke flair. A central atrium with a double-height ceiling enhances the sense of space, illuminated by fiber-optic starlight headliners that replicate constellations, controllable via a tablet interface. Entertainment is elevated with a 75-inch retractable OLED screen connected to a Bang & Olufsen sound system, supporting 8K streaming and virtual reality experiences for immersive movie nights. The galley kitchen rivals Michelin-starred establishments, equipped with sub-zero refrigeration, a Wolf induction range, and a Miele espresso machine that brews to your exact preferences using AI learning. Marble countertops from Carrara, Italy, glow with underlighting, and smart appliances like a self-stocking pantry integrate with grocery delivery services. Adjacent dining space seats 8 on ergonomic chairs, with a crystal chandelier overhead and climate-controlled wine humidor holding up to 100 bottles. The master suite is a sanctuary, boasting a California king bed with a custom orthopedic mattress layered in silk and cashmere, adjustable for firmness and elevation. Nightstands incorporate wireless charging and aromatherapy diffusers, while a walk-in closet with automated lighting and humidity control preserves your wardrobe. The ensuite bath is spa-worthy, clad in Calacatta gold marble with a jetted tub, steam shower featuring chromotherapy lights, and a smart toilet with bidet functions and seat warming. Dual vanities have magnifying mirrors and integrated skincare fridges. Additional sleeping quarters include a guest bedroom with bunk options and a convertible office space. Throughout, the cabin employs active noise cancellation for whisper-quiet travel, and an advanced air filtration system with HEPA and UV sterilization ensures pristine air quality. Voice-activated controls via the Rolls-Royce Whispers app manage everything from blinds to ambient sense, making this interior a harmonious blend of comfort, convenience, and couture. On the performance front, the 2026 Rolls-Royce RV Motorhome delivers effortless power and poise, proving that size doesn't hinder sophistication. At its core is a hybrid powertrain combining a twin-turbo V12 gasoline engine with dual electric motors, generating over 800 horsepower and 1000 lb-ft of torque for sublime acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 10 seconds, remarkable for a 15,000-pound vehicle. The all-wheel drive system distributes power intelligently, with torque vectoring for enhanced cornering on winding roads. A 9-speed automatic transmission shifts imperceptibly, and regenerative braking extends the electric-only range to 60 miles, ideal for silent approaches to campsites or urban navigation. Fuel efficiency reaches 18 miles per gallon in hybrid mode, bolstered by aerodynamic aids and lightweight materials. The self-leveling air suspension adapts in real time to road conditions, absorbing imperfections for that signature waftability Rolls-Royce is famed for, whether cruising interstates or traversing gravel paths. Advanced driver assistance includes Level 3 autonomy, allowing hands-free driving on mapped highways, with LiDAR and radar sensors monitoring surroundings. An AI co-pilot suggests optimal routes, factoring in traffic, weather, and even scenic detours, while integrating with satellite navigation for global coverage. Off-grid capabilities shine with a 100 kWh battery bank, invertible to power the entire RV for days, supplemented by those roof-mounted solar arrays and a quiet generator. Towing capacity hits 12,000 pounds, perfect for hauling a tender vehicle or toys. Safety features encompass adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, plus a reinforced chassis meeting stringent crash standards. Maintenance is predictive, with onboard diagnostics alerting to issues via app notifications. This performance package transforms the RV from a mere transporter to a dynamic companion, ensuring every mile is as enjoyable as the destination. Regarding pricing, the 2026 Rolls-Royce RV Motorhome embodies exclusivity, with a base price starting at $3.2 million, reflecting the hand-built nature and premium components. This entry figure includes standard luxuries, but the sky's the limit for customizations. Opting for rare materials like diamond-encrusted accents or enhanced autonomy tech can elevate the cost to $6 million or beyond. Compared to rivals, it offers unmatched prestige, with warranties extending to 10 years and concierge services for global support. Financing through Rolls-Royce Financial starts at low interest rates for qualified buyers, making it an investment in legacy travel. While steep, the value lies in its timeless appeal and potential for appreciation among collectors. In conclusion, the 2026 Rolls-Royce RV Motorhome redefines luxury nomadic living, from its awe-inspiring exterior and decadent interior to its stellar performance and elite pricing. It's for those who view travel as an art form. Thanks for tuning into Motorhome's review. If this ignited your wanderlust, like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on this ultimate RV. Until next time, adventure awaits.